working with ADMAR positioning in 2004 on a DOT project in Rochester. That was our first experience with GPS equipment, and from that point to today we've done a lot of work with ADMAR and used their equipment all the way from paver automation up through GPS equipment.
The Ready One job had its challenges being on the lake shore. The grades were difficult and tough, so we had a model developed by one of our survey consultants. Got all that information, and then we packed it into some thumb drives, and then we used the Topcon equipment from ADMAR, and helped us with our control, with our equipment. It certainly made the job easier, and our estimated quantities stayed right on line. And when we had to do some modifications to the plan, adjust the plan, it made it easier for our field folks and our operators to do their job.
So on that project, I was a superintendent for the site and also the operator. So one of the hardest challenges is we started with nothing because the lake eroded everything. We had to use GPS, all the control, grade control, line control for that project, and there's really no other way to do that without that GPS system.
We had the base always set up, that was a Hyper-V, and on the 330 excavator we had the indicate only GPS positioning, so that you didn't have to stake out anything. The operator could go along and pretty much do his own stakeout. It not only increased the efficiency of the job, but it was quicker and more accurate.
The control allowed our operators to go to the correct depths, correct widths, so that we didn't over-excavate, under-excavate, and provided the owner with what they expected.
I knew exactly the location I was. I knew the elevation. I could plug in the elevations and physically see where I was and the line control down to the water. Now we were digging 6 feet in underwater where we had to place number 3 stone, and then we did a toe stone and an armor stone. Without that control, I would never know where I was underwater, how deep I was digging, how to put the 2 foot back in of number 3 stone, and where to place the actual heavy stone. With that control, you know where cut 6 is, a cut raised to 2. It was so valuable to have that I can look and see where I was, to follow that grade, to follow that bottom, to get that dug to the right grade, and create a slope, a shelf for the project. And I've been doing this a long time. I've run a lot of machines. I don't know how you could have done that job and got the quality out of that job if you didn't have that system.
We've been very happy with the Topcon equipment. You know, it certainly provides us with a tool for quality, timeliness, also, you know, precision. The software support that we get with the equipment and the support that we get from ADMAR positioning is superior.
And it was easy to use. And ADMAR was so helpful a few times where we had a glitch here or there. Guys came out, helped me walk through it. ADMAR itself was so valuable in the process of showing how to use that, what to look at, how easy to use.
ADMAR positioning provides Keeler with exceptional service, whether it be from the sales perspective or from the service perspective. We get really good response and a quick turnaround when needed.